Hello and welcome to the ITG air filter for the Fiesta ST unboxing. So far I've only taken one thing out of this box, and that was the Peron tune kit itself. The only reason I've done that was basically to get the ball rolling in terms of actually getting it. But as you can see, this is how it comes packaged. So I got it in the actual ITG box. On top you've got some stuff that apparently gives me 10% off, so that's fun. There you go, discount code for everyone there. Right, the next bit of kit, this is the part that I've already unboxed, we'll push that to the side for now, is the actual tune kit itself. I'm trying to undo this with one hand. So basically it comes in two parts. You've got the actual toy itself, this plugs into your OBD port, and then you've got the USB to, I think that's a mini B. Basically that plugs into here, like so, if I can do this with one hand, which I can't. Basically it plugs into there. Once it's plugged in, you're all good to go. Plug that end into your laptop, install their stuff, and you're all good. So that's all good. Right, let's see what else is in the box. So we've got the filter itself. I won't take it out of the packaging just now, but as you can see, big old filter. I don't really know how to put this together, but I'm sure I'll work it out. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that goes underneath your headlight, so if that was your headlight, this is such a good demonstration. It goes under there, like that. Right, anyway, next part, we have a pipe. It's a pipe. I don't know how to get this pipe undone with one hand, but I'm sure as hell trying. You know what I need? A knife. That's what I need in my life right now. I've got to use my knee. Oh, I'm not. Okay, well, pipe. What else have we got? We got another pipe. This pipe here in this packaging is where your MAF sensor goes. So your MAF sensor goes in there. I will unwrap it all and give you guys a closer view in a second. So you've got a MAF sensor pipe, you've got another pipe, and then you got that. I don't know if it goes in that order. Kind of. But yeah. Then we got some hardware. So we have 2 cable ties. No expense spared there. A spacer. Washers and nuts and stuff. Yeah, washers and nuts. A doodad. God knows where that goes. That goes somewhere. That's a bracket, I think. Is that the bracket? I'm pretty sure that's the bracket. I think it like maybe holds up one of these pipes, something like that. I can't remember what you call these hose clips. Basically they sit on like that, and then you tighten them down and you connect your hoses and blah blah blah. And the final piece is, I'm doing this all one-handed, so hopefully you guys are impressed by my ability. The final piece is this rubber strap, which I think this does hold down your pipes more. It wraps around like that and it hooks on. It does stretch, but it hooks on to, I think, this bracket, possibly somewhere. It hooks onto one of the brackets anyway. Maybe it hooks onto this. I don't know. Hooks into something. But anyway, so that's all that. And then other than that, we have a thank you coupon thing. Basically tells you how to clean and oil it, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, cool. So, we have the filter, the pipe. Once again, I don't know whether the pipe goes there or whether it goes there. I think it is that way round. So I think the pipe goes like that. So you got the air filter, pipe. Hose clips, one there, cable ties, God knows where they go. No idea where that goes. Does that fit through there? Who knows? That goes somewhere. I think it goes around here-ish. That goes around there-ish. Obviously nuts and bolts go everywhere, and that I think also goes on that. So I think that's kind of the layout. Obviously when I install it I'll have a bit more of an idea of what I'm doing, but I think that's kind of the layout. I'll get some of the stuff outside of the packaging now and I'll be right back. So I've got all of the pipes out of the packaging. The only thing I haven't taken out is the air filter itself, just because I don't want oil everywhere basically if it has got oil already on it. But I think literally just by playing around with it for like 2 minutes and without looking at any instructions whatsoever, I think it goes something like this. Obviously the orientation in terms of the filter is not right, but basically you have filter, you have your silicone pipe, and you have your MAF sensor. I think it goes like that. It may go MAF sensor there, silicone pipe there, I don't know. I will look at the instructions. But basically it's the same, isn't it? So it will sit in your car like that, then that connects up towards your turbo, basically, that way. But yeah, little unboxing for you guys. There's nothing else left in the box. It's very simple kit. Wait, I take it back. We have a special hidden package. This is the bracket that goes there. I was wondering where that bracket was. So, secret package. There's a bracket that goes on here. You see those little hooks? Those little hooks are for that. So you hook that, it goes round the pipe, as you can see here. So you've got that basically sits like that. And then you hook this round there, hook it all down, all is good. But like I said, please don't treat this as a installation video or anything like that. I haven't looked at any instructions how to fix it, but I'm pretty sure that's the kind of look you're looking at. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not very much of a long video, but it is just a little bit of an unboxing. I will have a installation video coming up. It's going to be quite simple, straightforward, so it's only going to be it's going to be basically multiple cuts. So you can see, you know, I'm going to remove the airbox now. This is how you do it, and then it's going to be done. I'm not going to make you sit through, like, it's probably going to take about half an hour to an hour to do this, I reckon. I'm not going to make you sit through that the whole time. I'm just going to do multiple cuts, and hopefully it will come out to about a 10-15 minute video, but we'll see how we get on. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will talk you through how to use the Peron tuner as well, but that'll be in a separate video, probably the next one I do. But thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.